Okay, so before starting with the room tour, let me give you some basic info. Like Aiims Patna is one of the very few colleges in India that will provide you with single room from the first year itself. And the best part is that you don't have to pay anything for staying in these hostels. So first, let me show you the things that are provided by Aiims. So when you are allotted a single room, along with that you are getting a ceiling fan, a tube light, a chair and table, 2 or 4 cabinets depending on your luck, an almirah for storage, and a stand fan. And of course a bed to spend the maximum time of your day. Now I'll show you every detail of my room, like how I've customized everything so that I can make it presentable for making videos. Yeah, so this is my room and अंदर घुसते ही सबसे पहले the door hook जिसपे मैं apron रखता हूँ and my everyday essentials, and this thing is provided by Aiims also. Then I've also inserted this thing to make the room soundproof. उसके बगल में I have kept a dustbin ताकि रूम गंदा ना हो. I have my pair of shoes जो पहले से लगा हुआ था. I don't know what this is, but this looks good. Now coming to my workspace, which I feel is the most aesthetic part of my room. First comes this beautiful table which I have customized with white wooden texture. Otherwise you are getting it just like a normal brown table. Then I've kept these props for decorating my table. Have you seen this? This is not a simple cube, this is a pyromorphics and I don't know how to solve it. And this is something that my mother forced me to buy because according to her, keeping 7 horses is a good sign. This is my tablet on which I edit most of the videos / read books and all. And this is my secondary phone. My 2 ring lights. Also a cloth stand where I hang my clothes so that I don't mess up the room. Now coming to the cabinets. Oh my god, there are so many things. I'm getting confused. I have assigned this space for skincare and cosmetics. मुझे पता है अब तक कमेंट्स आ गया होगा. ध्यान से देखोगे तो इसमें मेकअप का कुछ नहीं है. You can see there are body lotion, sunscreen, serum, perfume and all that. And this upper cabinet for food items and groceries. कभी-कभी मैं खुद भी खाना बना लेता हूँ. So I've got this like muesli, dry fruits, biscuits,
chocolate, milk, peanut butter, mithai, protein powder, oats, etc. etc.
Then this space which I've mostly kept for books. As you can see, these are only of first year. And ऊपर में भी कुछ miscellaneous सामान है like my fruits, zipper bottles, ये multi cook kettle जो बहुत काम आता है. Then this steam iron. यहाँ एक extra storage space भी है तो यहाँ मैं extra खाना वगैरह रख देता हूँ. And then you get this massive window. उसके लिए curtain होता है. Curtain आपको अलग से खुद से लेना पड़ेगा. इसमें दिन वाला view बहुत मस्त होता है. I'll show you that also. Okay, so आगे बढ़ते हुए, this is my stethoscope with a cute minion on top. Then this full-sized almirah is also provided by Aiims. Let me show you what's inside. I have organized the clothes into different stacks. They also provide you with this locker, जिसमें मैं important सामान रखता हूँ. And then ऊपर में I've kept these suitcases and boxes. Especially I've preserved the big boxes because ये बहुत ज़्यादा काम आते हैं, especially when shifting from one hostel to other. This pedestal fan is also provided by Aiims. Because they did not allow you to install ACs in single rooms. So to survive the summers, they provide you with this extra fan. This massive chair is also provided by Aiims and this is really very comfortable. I mean so comfortable that you will pick yourself up from the bed and try to study sitting on the chair and you will start to feel sleepy again. Like I bought this lamp by myself and I do not regret buying this because this looks quite aesthetically pleasing. The statue of Buddha, symbol of peace. This is the place where you love spending time. I mean you work all the day and you come home and you relax. So this is my bed. Another say I've also made an arrangement for this RGB ka nasha wala, what do you call, ambient lighting. And then comes this corner of the room, something that I've always dreamt of. I mean starting from idealizing to choosing the right color combination, everything has come out of my mind. And all thanks to my beautiful friends who have helped me day and night to get this thing done. This is the main attraction of the room. Like this is a very big painting of a horse. I was just scrolling and I got to see this and मुझे इतना पसंद आया मैं तुरंत खरीद लिया. And this grey and white combination with a touch of gold. Mashallah.
Control.
More importantly, this is a temporary setup and all I needed was just a background to shoot my videos. And therefore I chose not to do much work on the other side of the room. When we will be getting permanent hostel rooms, then I will think of doing further modifications. ये तो मैं बताना ही भूल गया. This is a night lamp. This is also provided by Aiims. And yeah, this is me. And this is a mirror. ये आपको खुद से खरीदना पड़ेगा. And ये वो 3 पैर वाला प्राणी जो आपको हर कंटेंट क्रिएटर के रूम में दिख जाएगा. तो यही था मेरा हॉस्टल रूम कम स्टूडियो टूर. कैसा लगा कमेंट्स में बताना. बाकी अभी तो हम लोग का फाइनल एग्जाम्स पास में है, सो मे बी आई टेक अ 2 week break, फॉलोइंग विच आई अगेन स्टार्ट पोस्टिंग मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड मोर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस. तो सब्सक्राइब करके रखो. आई प्रॉमिस आई नेवर डिसअपॉइंट यू. सो एज ऑलवेज अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, स्टे फिट, स्टे हैप्पी.
I'm trying to get it all right now. Everybody worry about the crown, bitch. Look, homie, I'm the man right now. Talking to a PI kind of time.